Okay, ready geniuses. What is the answer? I am stuck. All right, let's take a look. Our goal is to figure out the three color combinations based on all these hints. We have 682, we know one number is correct and well placed. And then 614, one number is correct but wrongly placed. 206, two numbers are correct but wrongly placed. And then 738, nothing's correct. Lastly, 780, one number is correct but wrongly placed. Go ahead and pause the video and try this first before you watch the solution. So first, I'm going to start right here. We know we can have 7, 3, and 8, right? Because nothing's correct. And then from here, we see the 7 and 8 right here. And we know one number is correct. So that means we must have 0, right? 7, 8 cannot happen, so must be 0. So we know we must have 0 somewhere. So let's go ahead and just put down 0 somewhere. Right? And we can also know the position. 0 is either going to be right here or right here, right? Keep that in mind. But if you go back to here, we know two numbers are correct but wrongly placed. We know we must have 0 from here, and then they put 0 in the middle. That cannot be. That must be 0 here then, right? So in fact, I can go ahead and put 0 right here already. That is for sure. What do we do next though? So I know we have 0, so is it 2 or 6? Which number is correct? In fact, we cannot have 6. Cannot have 6. Why? Because if you go back to number 1, number 2, right here it says one number is correct and well placed. And then right here it says one number is correct but wrongly placed. If we have 6, well, they have 6 here and here. That's a contradiction. 6 cannot be one of the numbers for the final answer. It cannot be at the right place and also at the wrong place, right? So cannot have 6. That means we must have 2. But I don't know where to put 2 here or here. Well, if you go to the first one, we must have 2, and then 2 is well placed. So that means 2 goes here. Now, lastly, what do we know? Well, if you look at this, 6 is out, right? And we know one number is correct but wrongly placed. So is it the 1 or the 4? One number is correct but wrongly placed. It cannot be 1, because if it's 1, then I only have one more spot left. So 1 has to be in the middle. If it was 1, then it would have been correctly placed, right? So it cannot be 1. Get rid of that. So the answer is 4, right? 4, because 4 is supposed to be right here. So in fact, the answer is 0, 4, 2. And that's it.